What is Remembrance Day? We use Remembrance Day to remember all those who have died since World War I. Remembrance Day is held on the 11th of November, the 11th day of the 11th month of the year. A 2-minute silence is always held at 11 AM to remember the millions who have died at war. For over 100 years, people have stopped and paused in silence for 2 minutes every November 11th, on the 11th hour of the 11th day of the 11th month. Remembrance Day was first held in 1919, 1 year after World War I ended. It is sometimes known as Armistice Day. On Remembrance Day, people lay wreaths of poppies on war memorials, statues and monuments to remember all the soldiers who died for us. Many churches hold a special service for Remembrance Day. The Cenotaph is Britain's national war memorial. On Remembrance Sunday, many people gather at the Cenotaph in London to pay their respects. Veterans, the monarchs, other members of the royal family, politicians and representatives from different Commonwealth countries also attend. Poppies are worn on Remembrance Day because they are the flower which grew on the battlefields after World War I ended. The Poppy Appeal runs every year to raise money for men and women who have served or who are serving in the Defence Force. They raise money by selling small poppies. Why not check out some of our other Remembrance Day videos on the Twinkl Kids TV channel? Thanks for watching.